This keeps getting worse when I think it cannot. And that's what he thinks about this storm, because it just keeps getting worse. The storm is staying over water, very warm water, Gulf of Mexico, 86 degrees. And it's getting bigger.
We got a good one for you tonight. This is gonna be a humdinger. It's my wife, Mom.